Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on using BgEraser, an amazing AI-powered tool to effortlessly remove backgrounds from your photos. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this tool and understand its functionality. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Access the BgEraser website. First, open your web browser and go to the BgEraser website. The interface is very user-friendly, and everything you need is right on the homepage. Step 2. Upload your image. On the homepage, you'll see an option to upload start. Click on this button. You can either drag and drop your image into the designated area or use the traditional upload method by browsing your files. BgEraser supports JPG, PNG, and web formats with a maximum file size of 10 MB. Step 3. Processing the image. Once your image is uploaded, BgEraser's advanced algorithms kick in. The AI analyzes your photo, identifies the subject in the background, and then removes the background for you. This process usually takes just a few seconds, depending on the complexity of the image. Step 4. Review and download. After the background is removed, you can preview the result. Occasionally, the tool might remove parts of the image you want to keep, but don't worry. There's an option to manually correct the image. Once you're satisfied with the final result, click on the download button to save your edited image. The best part? Your download is watermark-free. Functional analysis of BgEraser. BgEraser is not just about removing backgrounds, it's about doing it efficiently and precisely. The tool utilizes state-of-the-art AI algorithms that ensure your subject remains sharp while the unwanted background disappears seamlessly. Let me break down some of its key functionalities. Accurate and precise results. The AI used by BgEraser is incredibly advanced. It meticulously analyzes the edges and contours of the subject to ensure that only the background is removed. This precision is what makes BgEraser stand out from other similar tools. Time-saving efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of using BgEraser is its speed. Manual background removal can take hours, especially if you're dealing with complex images. BgEraser, however, completes this task in mere seconds, freeing up your time for other important tasks. User-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or someone with no prior experience in photo editing, BgEraser caters to all. The interface is intuitive and straightforward, making the entire process a breeze from start to finish. Web-based BG removal. Something I particularly love about BgEraser is that it operates entirely through your web browser. There's no need for cumbersome software downloads or installations. This web-based functionality means you can access it from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. Cost-effective solution. All these premium features come at no cost to you. Yes, you heard that right. BgEraser is free to use, making it an excellent choice for freelancers, small business owners, and hobbyists who want professional quality results without breaking the bank. Watermark-free downloads. Many free tools add watermarks to your images, which can be quite frustrating. But with BgEraser, your edited images are completely watermark-free, ready for immediate use in your projects. BgEraser is a powerful tool that caters to a wide range of users, from professionals to amateurs. Its combination of accuracy, speed, user-friendly design, and cost-effectiveness makes it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their photos effortlessly. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to the hero of our today's video. Happy editing!